Hi everyone, this is Aya and welcome to another Saturday morning mix. Today is episode 2. I'm so excited. This beautiful idea started by Norwoods and I'm going to link her channel in the description box below. So today's episode or today's mix all about Gingerbread Man, and I was inspired by Merlin G to create with it. So I started to look for stamps and dies, with gingerbread man theme, and I was so excited to find some great stuff. So let's get started. So the first card I made, I used these enamel dots. This was a kit, part of a kit by Tonic Studios. Then I used this die by Sizzix. This is an old die. The name is Spanish fork. Okay, so maybe this is not the real cover. I just noticed. Okay, so it's written Spanish fork, so I think this is not the real cover. And this was from eBay. Okay, then this house die called Gingerbread Folded, something like that. I don't remember, and maybe it's by Sizzix. This was from, I think, Facebook group. Yeah. Then I used this cookie die, or it has a name. There's no name. It's like a cookie die. It's by Greetery. Then this cute stamp set by Sunny Studio, and this one called Christmas Cookies. And finally, the stamp set by Stamp Pendants, and I use only Warm Winter Wishes. And let me show you the card. Ta-da! It's a square card, 6x6 card. The base card is a ready-made card by Graphic 45. Oh, I use also burlap paper for my background. So this how it turns out. So cute. Welcome. Love it. Okay, so this is my first card. The second card, I used this stamp set. It's a candy cane by Stampin' Up. I used gouache paint. They look broken. I don't know, they look horrible. But they really work fine. Then I used this die by My Creative Times. It's like scallop die, and I love all the details, the stitch details inside and out. Then I used this stamp set by Jaded Blossom. I used this cute gingerbread man, and this is the card. Yeah, and also this by Jaded Blossom. What is the stamp? Okay, there is also this stamp by Jaded Blossom from her new release, and I will show you now the paper from which collection in the next project. So I love it. And here warm wishes. Yes, warm wishes. So cute. I love it. Okay. For my third project, I used this ribbon, purple one. I use hard bow die by My Creative Time. So big, I love it. Then this paper flowers by Graphic 45. And this is the paper collection by Graphic 45. It has, ginger. Let me show you. First, this is the paper I used. And the other one, the other paper I will show you now, but this is the collection called Nutcracker Sweets. Okay, put it here. And here is the first card. So cute. I didn't add a sentiment, I forgot, but I will add it, eventually. But I really like how it turned out. Yes, and this collection comes with okay, they're good here, stickers and chipboard. So I use this as a chipboard, so you can move it. And I die cut the bow from metallic, or I don't know what you call this, metallic maybe paper, red paper. It's a very simple, card. And the second one, this one, so cute. Also, this is from the chipboard, Graphic 45. And yeah, the die, I use this die by My Creative Time. This one. Also, same as the oval one, it has like stitches everywhere, you know, it's inside and out. And here is the flowers. And I added this ribbon. Oh my, I put it the other way. Okay, it's supposed this way. Okay, mistakes happen. I love it so much. Last card, and it's my favorite card, and took me really time to create it, but I am happy and satisfied with the final result. Let me show you. Use this cute gingerbread man. I use this sentiment called a warm hello. Then I use this picture stamp, I think, let's say, and it comes with for the 4 seasons, but this is for winter. It's by Stampin' Up. I used Nouveau glitter accents, brads. I use this cute gingerbread man, and this one called Large Gingerbread Man from Jaded Blossom. And I use this stamp set. I don't know the maker, but I think it's a Stampin' Up. It's a red rubber. It's not a red rubber, it's a gray rubber maybe. Okay. And I use these two, gingerbread man and girl, also by Jaded Blossom. I'm trying to stay away from the sun. I use these stickers, puffy stickers, the hearts. I use this die cut by Lawn Fawn, called Everyday Pop-Ups. I have it for a long time and it's my first time to use it. And finally, this stamp set, I use this one. This is a frame, like a frame stamp. This one called Doodlebug tags, and I didn't use it as a tag. I will show you now. And I colored everything. I use color pencils. This one called CaranDache. So I used to color. I'm not sure if you noticed this texture. I really wanted to have some texture on the gingerbread man, so that's why I used a color pencil. And all the inks I use is Altono crisp inks. This one espresso. And no, I didn't use this one. I used Vintage Photo Distress inks, and definitely a gel white pen for highlights. And let me show you the card. So this is the front. I'm sorry about the sun. I'm gonna insert some pictures, okay? So this is the paper by Graphic 45, and I put the sentiment, say a warm hello. And when you open it, ta-da! I made like a kitchen, or I don't know. Yeah, it's a kitchen. Okay, let me show you the details. So here is like the wall, and I put this as you know, like what do you call it? A frame hanging in the wall. Spelled word love from the puffy stickers. And here is the kitchen, and all the gingers are sitting. And this is the tag, but I created it as a carpet or a rug. So cute. I love it. So also I colored the images using again the color pencil to have, you know, this kind of texture. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you like all my projects. I really enjoyed creating them. It took me like 1 week or 1 week and a half, something like that. That's why I didn't participate last Saturday. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Cannot wait to see all your creation. Thanks guys, bye.